Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide to the latest happenings in the world of business. Minister of Finance and the Public Service, Dr. the Honorable Nigel Clark, has informed that the current inflation target for the Bank of Jamaica will remain at 4 to 6%. Dr. Clark made the announcement during a statement to the House of Representatives on Tuesday, May 7. He explained that the process for setting and renewing the target was codified into law via the Bank of Jamaica Amendment Act 2020, which, among other things, formally introduced Jamaica's inflation targeting regime. The minister noted that a lower inflation target than what currently obtained would require higher interest rates for longer, which would be detrimental to growth and to fiscal dynamics. In particular, the minister stated, the frequency of economic shocks, labor market rigidities, low productivity, a weak monetary transmission system, and regulated price adjustments constrain the ability of the Bank of Jamaica to deliver a lower inflation rate than what is currently targeted in the near term, the minister said. Dr. Clark stated that these constraints speak to inherent challenges that, as a country, we must tackle if we are to target and enjoy the level of inflation of our main trading partners. The Bank of Jamaica intervened in the foreign currency market on Wednesday. The central bank pumped US $30 million into the system in a BFXITT flash sale. 8 banks and 4 cambios were successful in their bids. The largest shares went to First Global Bank, Grace Kennedy Currency Trading Services, and Barita Investments. This is the second intervention since the start of the month. After Wednesday's intervention, the Jamaican dollar gained 9 cents against the US currency. Trade ended with banks and cambios selling the American dollar for an average of $157.47. The Bank of Jamaica says there were 45 more automated banking machines, ABMs, installed by the end of November 2023. The central bank's annual report says this was a 5.5% more than January to November 2022. This brought the total number of ABMs in the country to 865. The BOJ says that there were 16.31 million transactions done at ABMs, representing a 9% increase or 1.3% per million more transactions than the previous year. During trading on May 9, 2024, the following companies valued at $500 million or more in assets represent the overall volume leaders in terms of equities sales on the main market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Alternative energy provider Wigton Wind Farm Limited ordinary shares with 1,958,583 units, amounting to 31.16% of the market volume on the main market in terms of sales. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 1,541,001 units amounted to 24.52% of the market volume on the main market in terms of sales. Cigarette distributor Carreras Limited with 904,952 units amounted to 14.4% of the market volume on the main market in terms of sales. During trading on May 9, 2024, on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, the following companies represent the overall volume leaders in terms of sales of equities on the junior stock market, with companies valued at $50 million or more in asset value. Logistics firm Mailpack Group Limited with 3,325,333 units, amounting to 49.37% of the market value on the junior market in terms of sales. Online teaching platform One-on-One Educational Services Limited with 1,027,253 units amounted to 15.25% of the market volume on the junior market in terms of sales. Beverage distributor Jamaica Teas Limited, with 610,100 units, amounted to 9.06% of the market volume on the junior market in terms of sales. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on May 9, 2024, registered a volume of 83,162 shares crossing the floor of the exchange, valued at $665,794 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 68 cents. NCB Financial Group Limited was the volume leader with 34,012 shares, changing hands for a value of $91,932 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 52 cents, followed by Massey Holdings Limited with a volume of 25,794 shares being traded for a value of $108,439 Trinidad and Tobago dollars. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On May 9, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $67.5 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $63.4 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $157.19 and bought US dollars for $156.06. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.13, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $4.01 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $116.18 and bought for $112.17. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $6.10, selling it for $197.07 and buying it for $190.97. For our credit report tip of the day, be strategic in the use of your credit report. Your credit report can be a powerful tool in negotiating favorable mortgage terms. Highlight positive aspects of your credit history, such as strong payment record or low credit utilization ratio, to strengthen your application. Address any concerns or negative items on your credit report proactively and work with lenders to find the best mortgage option tailored to your financial situation and goals. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.